The Sony WH-1000XM6, the best noise-cancelling wireless, makes some bold claims on the listing. I wanted to see if any of them actually hold up. In my experience, these headphones deliver on their promise. They're among the best noise-cancelling wireless headphones I've ever tested. What sets them apart is the level of detail and nuance in their sound quality, which feels genuinely studio-grade. To break it down, 3 features stand out. First, the advanced noise cancellation technology, powered by a high-speed processor that detects and counteracts external noise in real time. This isn't just about blocking out background chatter. I've found myself getting lost in music or podcasts even when friends are talking nearby. The adaptive microphone system ensures this performance is consistent across different environments. Next up, the HD noise cancelling processor QN3, which I was skeptical about at first. How fast does a processor need to be for me to notice? But here's the thing, it makes all the difference. When you're in call mode, conversation partners sound crisp and clear from anywhere, even in busy coffee shops or crowded offices. Finally, what really sets these headphones apart is their focus on call quality, particularly when you consider the AI-based beamforming system that isolates your voice from the environment. I found myself feeling like I'm having a private conversation with friends, even when there's plenty of background noise around us. It feels incredibly lifelike. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones are perfect for anyone who values immersive listening experiences or spends hours on calls at work. If you're someone who's constantly on the go, who commutes frequently or works from coffee shops, these headphones will transform your daily routine. With their long-lasting battery and compact carrying case, they're an investment that will pay off over time. That being said, I do have one honest complaint. When the adaptive noise cancellation kicks in, sometimes my earbuds feel like they've lost a bit of bass. It's not unheard of for noise-cancelling tech to mute certain frequencies. But this is a minor trade-off for me. Overall, these headphones are an exceptional choice. If you want well-researched reviews before you spend your money, subscribe. I've left the product link below. Until next time, cheers.